Very, very tricky. Ow. What about a Cali, my friend? NorCal. Northern California. I'm gonna guess he came from here, right? This is probably completely looted. Yeah, it is. Okay. Ah, damn. I gotta heal my anus. Better. More range shots. Still need a, oh, there we go. Nice little vest. Beautiful. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, nothing here. Someone took the car. That's okay though, we're in the middle of the circle, so. Where is this guy? There he is. Eight times, baby. I knew you were holding out on old Grimmmz. Oh, I knew you were. Ooh, give me everything. I knew you were holding out on me. Okay. How many times have I been at 1 HP today? I think I so many times, right? So many freaking times today. Oh, we scored an 8 times on this guy, so that's good. That's good, that's good. It's very nice. J-Dub, because you're already a sub, buddy. How many wins today? No wins, no wins. I think he probably looted all of this. It's probably going to be empty. It'll probably be very empty. Extremely empty. Okay. It's time to go. How not to get mad at this game? It's an early access game. You know, bullshit's gonna happen no matter how you like it, right? So it's okay to just let go and accept it and just keep playing. If the game was finished, I can understand, you know? Like, if you're taking it very serious, you know, you mess up on something, or... like, if there's, like, a glitch that prevents you on doing something, or prevents you from having fun. But, you know, it's an early access game. It's normal. Like, shit like that is going to happen no matter what, so... How's duos with Anthony? Oh, great as always. Damn, got away. M4 is so gnarly without its attachments. That's so tough to control that recoil. I feel like sometimes I can handle it, but god damn, this shit's hard. It's tough, man. Ooh, we might be able to go for this. We might have 1 HP left. Yeah. Probably. Yeah, I'm gonna go for this. Why not? Let's go. Why do you keep clicking your nades? It's just like a ping test for me, just to make sure that the servers are running good. Yeah, I did play a lot of Arma 3 BR before I played this game. When I was getting bored with the H1Z1, I was looking for like another BR type, and people were telling me that Arma 3 had one, and I did play a lot of DayZ back in the day on Arma 2 DayZ mods. So I wanted to give it a try, and I fell in love with it so fast. That game is so hard, but I think it helped me kind of get used to this, like the very slow, tactical type of gameplay. I never played Rust BR. I don't know how that is. I know a couple friends that have played it, but I never played it myself, and they tell me it's pretty good. But yeah, like I played a lot of Breaking Point, Panthera, Epoch, and all those games really made me appreciate like how it was playing a very slow tactical shooter. And I was just like, oh shit, I fell in love with this so fast. So I'm gonna wait for the next circle to see where we have to go. Ever played Quake games? Not really, no. When Quake happened, I was on games like Doom. I hear it be open. Link to the Past randomizer? What's that? I don't know what the hell that is. God damn. Let's get his stuff quick. Keep going. Okay. Do I speak Spanish? Horribly. My Spanish is bad. How do you get better with control and recall? By the way, didn't mean any harm yesterday. Oh no, it's okay. I never took any offense to anything that you said. Control and recall is a combination of whatever attachments you have, plus how well you can pull down your mouse. So finding the right sensitivity for you can really help you out, controlling your recoil quite a bit. Someone's here. It's got to be in there. Yep. Someone else is here. There it is. I found him. There's a med kit right here, just in case if somebody decides to come their way. That guy had a suppressor, so I really want to pick that up. Yeah, I know you can jump through windows, but I don't think you're supposed to do that. Like phasing in and out of windows. I'm pretty sure they're gonna patch it up where you have to break it first, so I just don't want to pick that up as a bad habit, that's all. I don't want to pick it up as a bad habit where, like, I try to jump through the windows like, oops, I forgot to break it, and I'm just bumping into it now. Another guy. Okay. I think I feel good with that. You found 2 boxes in the grass. So proud. Thanks, Dad. Fucking knew I could do it. Oh, there's a crate over there. No fucking wonder. Goddamn crate over there. It's about 400, I want to say. Let's go back in. I don't... Yeah, he's going to have to get out. He's going to have to get out of there. Move over here. Pretty sure he's gonna have to get out. Try to get on this side, actually. Let's go back. He might be. Yeah, I think he has to get out of there. I think the circle might screw him up. Got him. I think I'm just gonna keep going this way. Alright, I gotta figure out where that came from. Behind me? Yeah. Alright. Good to know. Okay, I'm still getting shot. Alright, what about back here? My vest is pretty much done for. There you are. Got him. I better take his stuff. Goddamn sneaky little ninjas, man. Sneaky ninjas. I think I'm gonna hold on to my SKS for now. I'm gonna hold on to it. Compensator, suppressor AR. Oh god. Oh, he didn't have much either. Let's just go. We gotta go anyways. Gonna use this for extra speed. Let's go. Go, 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 go. People behind me shooting. Oh, there goes one guy dying. Okay. I need to get up top this this little hill. The car over there, so there's probably gonna be someone over there. Let's go. I see one guy very far away over there. I think I might actually be able to hit him. Got him. Someone's driving a car. Ah, yeah, someone is. Okay. We're gonna follow him. Definitely going to follow him. Spike there. At the vehicle. I think he took him out. I might get shot here. Yeah, see this guy right there in the hut. I knew it. This guy up ahead as well. It's right here. Kind of want to go back the way I came. I sort of want to do that, yeah. Let's go. Alright, I know one guy ran... There he is. Guy down here somewhere. There's 3 people left. One guy at the car, one guy that's prone next to the tree. Let's go, guys.
Like yo.